see if you can hit the subscribe button in 3 seconds. 3, 2, 1. Did you hit the subscribe button? Comment down below. Hi guys, welcome back to Slime Girls Time. Today we are doing the Slime Telepathy Challenge. And we are going to be pouring our glue in here, and we're going to choose from we're going to choose 2 things from the 4 different gems. Oops, I dropped one.
And then we're going to choose from
3
these
different
paints. It's pink, orange, and blue.
Okay, so let's get started.
Let's pour
I'm going to open it up.
my glue up first.
I'm going to pour all this glue in here. Make sure they can see.
Can they see me?
Okay, I'm pouring my glue.
It sounds like it's oinking. Oh my gosh.
Okay, I put all my glue in here.
I'm still dripping. Okay.
Next.
I hope you guys can see it.
Okay.
So now we have these beads.
And I'm going to choose my 2. Okay. I'm going to choose, I don't know if you can see it, but yeah.
Alright. We're going to activate our slime after.
I have these ones. I'm not done adding them.
Okay. I'm trying to get some more
Then
glue
I add
out.
these ones.
I guess there's no more glue. Alright. You ready for the painting?
Hold on. I'm going to just mix this up.
So we pick one painting.
Okay. I'm going to pick this color.
I'm going to
Show
pick...
them what color you're going to pick.
So,
Let me just put this in.
let's pour this in. Oh my gosh, this is not what I expected. I hope this is enough.
I'm going to put this whole little chip in it.
Me too.
Okay, so
I'm
I have
already
added
added
my color. I'm trying to just put all the color in and mix this up. Ooh,
Alright, let's mix
oh,
my
the color comes out all the
Oh my
way.
gosh, this is prettier. It's not the type of paint.
Okay, so I have added the color in,
Me too.
and I'm about to add my activator. So, I have my activator,
Okay.
and I'm just mixing this up.
Ooh,
Ooh, it's coming together.
spill.
Make sure they can see. Make sure everything is not in the way. So I'm mixing this up.
You guys can't see the color.
I'm not trying to over-activate this.
Me too, so I think this is good. Oh geez. Oh geez, I think it is overactivated. Okay, of course you, oh. I gotta add some more borax.
Don't add too much because it's a strong activator.
Yeah, people say it is. Okay, it's done sticking to me. As you guys can see, I'm right now having trouble. It's just that, like, when I touched it, there's, oh guys, this is very overactivated, but that's okay. So,
I'll be showing you my slime in a few minutes.
me too, while
So hold on 1 second.
I'm about to add.
So here is my slime. I just realized we both said so at the same time.
No.
So here's my slime,
Here's my slime.
and I just made it so like it's done all the way.
I added more glue because it was over activated. So
Let's remove this
my
and
box.
see if we have the same thing. Let's just... Ours is both the same color. Ours is both the same color.
Alright,
Did you
so
use?
I didn't use these two.
So we both have the same thing.
That's cool.
That's very cool. So we both got the same thing.
Yep. So now we're gonna mix my
Mine is-
slime.
Let's see if we can stretch.
Okay, let's see who's can stretch. Oh wait, hold on, that's kind of cheating.
Mine can't stretch that much. Mine's more thicker. So we're gonna bring it up closer for you guys.
Okay, guys. So here's the slimes up close. Here's my slime.
That's Ariana's slime. That is.
It's very clicky and it's stretchy. Hold up, guys. Hold on.
Ooh, that was very nice.
And here's the stretch. I can't swirl because I don't know how to.
So here's my slime. It's very thick. Ooh, see how thick it is? It really can like stick to the table. Let's make a swirl. Let's see if we can make
By
a
the
good
way,
one.
her slime is like more darker than mine, kind
Yeah.
of. because I didn't add a lot of paint.
Yes. Like, comment, subscribe, and subscribe and comment down below if you want a shout out. And if you want to be in the Heart Club, what you have to do is
Subscribe, post notifications, like, comment down below, and yeah.
bye.
Bye, guys.